Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Yashwant. I studied my MBBS in Sri Devraj Urs Medical College from Kolar. Campus, it is a deemed university and it is spread across about 100 acres of land. Since it is deemed university, the fee is always on the higher side, but it does all the justice to the infrastructure as well as the teaching facilities they provide you there. They have a huge campus. They have a very amazing library. They have a good lab facilities. They have very good teaching faculties, and they have an amazing operation theatre. I'll just go through every year of my MBBS. So coming to first year of my MBBS, you have 3 subjects: anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Anatomy, the first exposure what you have is through the cadavers. You have a lot of cadavers and you will have a lot of hands-on experience, and there are about 8 to 9 tables of cadavers where you can have good hands-on, and the professors are very well experienced and they are very highly knowledgeable as well. They will help you through it. And coming to physiology as well as biochemistry, their labs are very good, and the professors are very good as well. You have some tutors also. They'll help you through practicals as well. Coming to the academic teaching program, you will have regular classes. You'll be allotted mentors as well. So a set of students will be given a good about 8 to 10 students will be given a good mentor where you can consult them. You can have one-on-one discussion with them, and you can always go to them if you have any problems as well. In second year, you have pathology, pharmacology, microbiology and forensic medicine. So all these things are these are like one of your initial progress towards the clinical side, because you will have a lot of exposures from second year as well. You will have postings, that is you'll be taken to the hospital side. You'll be given a good exposure. And coming to the patient inflow in Sri Devraj Urs Medical College, there is the hospital name is called R.L. Jalapa Hospital, where there is a lot of patient inflow, and the treating doctors also are very nice, and they are very knowledgeable, and they would teach you very well as well. Coming to final year, these are like one of the most important subjects, and things get really serious here. You have to they are very strict about your attendance. They are very strict about your performance, and you really need to have a good a base of first, second and final year, third year. You really need to have good base of first, second and third year to compact your and do well in your final year. Let's talk about some co-curricular activities. They do every year. They've started to do something called as Parva. It is an intra-college fest, which is has a very large diversity of functions, starting from be it a dance program or a debate program to fashion show. So it's spread over 4 to 5 days. You'll also be exposed to multiple continuous medical educations. We call it as CMEs. So that will also help you consolidate your information. Coming to diversity in college, there are a lot of students who come from various parts of India, especially from Andhra, almost all the places in North India, and even Andhra Pradesh and Kerala as well. There is a recently constructed hostel facility which is very good. They have a very good food facility there. All in all, it is a very good college. The academics is very good. The patient inflow is very good. And as long as you're ready to put in the hard work, and I assure you that there are good professors who will help you reach your goal. And some of the examples are, one of my own roommate had joined BMC in orthopedics. One of my colleague has secured an All India rank of 271 this year, and I myself have got an All India rank of 843 this year in NEET PG. So as long as you're ready to put in the hard work, they'll always support you.